He is barely my assholes. Oh look, it's the exact same place that a police officer came. Who are you honking at? Was that at me?
No.
Was that at me?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Why did you?
No.
I'm allowed to be in the road.
No.
I was off to. I was in the path.
No.
Why are you? Why did you honk at me?
Get the fuck out of the road.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. La 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 la. Unbelievable. I'm in the designated bike path and they honk at me. Oh, my bad.